Today we are going to be showing you how to troubleshoot fault code 256. Drive prevented, pothole not engaged on your JLG electric scissor lift. Some possible causes for this are: faulty wiring or connections, a faulty or misadjusted switch, pothole protectionism damaged or binding, or a faulty ground module. Troubleshooting steps. 1. Power on the machine in ground mode and raise the platform until the PHP bars deploy. 2. Check each pothole protection, PHP, mechanism for obstruction and physical binding. 3. Check the PHP switches for proper mounting and adjustment. 4. Using your JLG analyzer, navigate to diagnostics/system/LPHP and RPHP. While elevated, they both should read extend. If one or both are not reading correctly, activate each PHP switch manually while monitoring with the analyzer to see if it changes between retract and extend. Verify that the wiring is correct. Check for 24 volts on both terminals when the PHP mechanism is deployed. 3. Check the switch for opening and closing when activated. Replace the switch if faulty. 5. Verify the entire circuit back to the module is working correctly. For the left pothole protection switch, check the system module at J1-11 and J1-18 for 24 volts. For the right pothole protection switch, check the system module at J1-9 and J1-19 for 24 volts. If there is 24 volts on J1-11 and J1-9 but not J1-18 or J1-19, repair the wiring or connections. If there is no voltage on J1-11 or J1-9, at the system module, replace the system module. Thanks for watching. You can find all the parts and equipment used in this video over on our website GCIron.com.